Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Teaching children manners can be a difficult task for any parent. They don't understand why there are suddenly rules for everything that they do. It's enough that even when they do learn these rules, they still don't care for them and would prefer to go back. Photo evidence shows that these dogs are willing to stand in line with their bowls in their mouths, waiting for food to be given to them. The photo was taken at a police dog academy, where sticking to rules and training is important. A Hangzhou-based police dog trainer has stated that there are 4 basic characteristics of a good police dog. They have to be good-looking, have a big appetite, be courageous and be possessive. Training these ideals into the dogs that work with these police officers does take a lot of time and patience, but the trainers couldn't enjoy their job more. The officers are caring for their dogs all of the time, in a manner that is conducive with them learning these ideas. It may look like fun and games, but it is all part of their work and training to help them meet the impeccable standards of the Chinese police force.